to share about how to set up a registration page in Joomla 5, and there in registration there is a method to send email to the user. So I will also share about how to set up SMTP Java for sending email in Joomla 5. So now I have logging as a administrator in my Joomla 5 site. If I go to my Joomla 5 site, here you can see this is now my home page. Now I want to add a registration page, and when we fill the form and register, it has to set up an SMTP server to send email. So I will share also about that, how to create a registration form and how to set up SMTP server for sending email. So for adding registration form, so first of all go to menu and menu item, now there is only one menu, home menu. I will create a menu for registration, and the menu item type will be, as we are creating registration page, so go to user and go to registration form, and after that you have to select menu, and I will show in main menu. After that I will click on save and close. Now we have added registration menu in main menu. So let's go to our Joomla 5 site and test how it look like in our page. Here if I click on registration, now it is showing login page, not registration page, because we haven't configured some setting to show registration page. So we have to change some setting. Let's go to the admin and so let's go to user and manage user and go to option. Now you can see allow user registration is off now. It is no now. I will click on yes, and here we can set up some settings also. Guest user group, this is default guest. So new user registration group, as for example I will give as guest, and let's try this. Save and close, and if I go to my Joomla 5 site, if I go to registration, now the form is registration form because we allow user registration in our backend, in our admin part. So if I fill this form, and we can register new user. As for example I will fill as dummy data. As for testing password purpose only, so the password is at least 12 characters, and confirm password, and email address I will at my email address, and when I click on this, now we get this message: could not instantiate mail function. An error was encountered when sending the registration email. A message has been sent to the administrator of this site. This means to confirm the email, Joomla 5 want to send email, but the email is not sending because there are some functions we need to configure in our admin part. We have to set up some setting for sending email in our admin part. So now I'm going to share about how to fix this error, and we are working with SMTP mail sent. So how to set up SMTP, I will show you step by step. So let's go to our admin part. Go to system, and here global configuration, and you have to go to server, and if you scroll down here, you can see the mail setting. So we have to configure some mail settings here. So as for now, I am sending with SMTP mail send. So we have to configure some settings here to use SMTP and send email. I will show you step by step. So first of all, we have to set up in our Gmail, for example, go to Gmail. You can go to anywhere for Google account managing. You can go directly from Google. So click on manage Google account and go to security, and under this security you have to fix two-step verification to make it on. So I will type my password, I will click on next, and I have to add my phone number. As for my security, I will pause this video for now, and I will type my phone number, and there one code will receive in my phone number, and I have to type that. You can also do this, it is very easy. We have to choose our country and enter our phone number, and after that we will get a verification code in our mobile phone. We have to add that code and submit the form. So after that the two-step verification will finish setup. So I will pause this video for a few seconds, and I will set up my two-step verification. Now I have set up my two-step verification. And after that I will search for password. Here you can see app password. So I will give this app name my Joomla app create. So I receive this password. I copy this and I click on done. So don't forget to copy that password and save it in Notepad or any other in your notes. We have to use that in Joomla again. So now our Joomla app password has created successfully. So let's go back. Now we have set up two-step verification and also created app password. So let's go to the Joomla site again, and now we can set up SMTP. So in SMTP we are working with Gmail, so smtp.gmail.com and the port number SMTP port is 465. There are many other port numbers also, so we have to add which match our SMTP server. So and for SMTP security I will select SSLT and we have to give authentication yes, and we have to give SMTP username. In this field we have to add our email, our Gmail account. So in my case I will copy this my account and add here, and in this SMTP password we have to add the password we generated from app password previously. So I have to add that password. I will copy my password and paste here. After that I will click on this send test mail to test our email is working properly or not. We can test by clicking on this. Let's look everything is fine or not. So I will click on this send test email, and after a few seconds we will get a message. So the email was sent to this account, but using SMTP as fallback you should check you have received the test email. So now the email was sent successfully to my account, because now I am testing with my account. So let's check to my Gmail account, and here test mail from my Joomla 5 site. So I have received successfully the email from Joomla's 5 site. So I am sending to myself, because we are now testing this email working or not. So I will save and close this. Now the configuration is saved. So let's go to our Joomla 5 site. First if we check on user, so I trying to log in this email account previously, but the email not sent. So I will delete this because I want to log in when this account. So I will delete this, and let's go to our Joomla 5 site and go to registration. Here testing, because I added previously, so there is step for filling the form and fill the password 12 characters. And in this email, after that I will click on register. Now your account has been created and a verification link has been sent to the email address you enter. So the verification link is successfully reached to the email address I enter. So let's look that message. Here, my Joomla 5 site. Hello testing, because I added when the name testing because of the testing purpose only. So thank you for registration my Joomla 5 site. Your account is created and must be verified before you can use it. So to verify the account, select the following link or copy paste in your browser. So I will click on this. Let's try what happened. So it is taking a little time. So your email address has been verified. Once an administrator approves your account, you will be notified by email and you can log in to the site. Now our email address is verified. So we successfully received the email, and if the admin accept our request, we can log in and go to Joomla 5 site. So in this video I shared about how to set up a registration page, how to set up SMTP server, so that we can use to send email. So thank you very much for your attention.